All right, how's it going, traders? Welcome to another crypto emergency meeting. Without further ado, let's get right into it. The last video I made, this was our range, this level and this level, and I was expecting that the market was going to have a pullback because we were at this resistance level. So I was expecting that we were going to have a slow grind downward to this order block, and then we were gonna take out some liquidity here and go back up, which was going to be the market structure continuation. But surprisingly enough, Trump made a tweet about 100% tariff on China, and that tanked the market. It was very unexpected. And what happened after that tweet was that we had BTC and the entire crypto market nuking. So if I take my measuring tool and measure this, would see that total had about 23.52% dump. This meant altcoins went down 50 to 80%. It was unprecedented. It has never happened like that before in the crypto market. So that was a massive flush. So what that means for the crypto market now, as we can see on the chart, is that the bull market is most likely over. Because if you see right here, after that dump, we had a pullback, or let's say a pump back into this zone. So the market retraced and came back into this level, and then there wasn't really any close below on this region. So if you see right here, there wasn't really any close below. It was just a week after the market pulled back, and then it retraced 50. However, after that move, there was another move downwards that indicated a close below. And what that means right now is that the daily market structure has been broken. And if that happens, it means we now have a new level. We have a new trading level. And I'm going to be marking that level right now. So what that means is that this is our new range. We now have this zone right here. And we have this zone right here. I'm gonna delete this. So what I'll be expecting or looking out for now is that next week we might have another push back into this region, or maybe we'll week through, take out liquidity on the upside, and then we come back down into this region like this. And the reason why this is going to happen is that the market still needs one more push to the upside before we have that final flush that marks the end of the bull market. So I would advise you to sit out and watch the market play out so we know exactly where the market is going. So that's my thoughts, and let me check out BTC to see what the market is also saying. So if you look at BTC, this was our former range from the swing low to the swing high here. So it was an elevator up. We've had all this downwards movement. It came back to this buy region. We had this push, and then finally we have this close below this level. Some other people would say the market has just come back to the discount level where people are going to buy. Well, I'll rather not buy here. I'll rather wait to see what the market does before deciding. So let's see what happens between now and next week, especially Monday. So that will be able to calibrate and know what next to do. But for now, I think it's best to short the market instead of buying and finding out what happens. If you look at every other chart, you would see that the market is also showing the same sign. We had a really strong sell elevator down. We're having these stairs up, and just maybe if the market pumps, we might come back to this level here and then nuke further down. GTO, the same thing. All of crypto is currently having the same chart, no thanks to Trump's tweets. Okay, so Litecoin is having the same pattern. Litecoin is even more bearish than Uni and GTO that I just checked. Pengu, the same thing. Engine, the same thing. These guys are really weak. This is the level that was supposed to hold on engine if it was going to hold, but it's looking like that level is not going to hold. And if that level does not hold, probably coming back down to the 0.76 to the 0.40 region. The same thing for fat coin. Even just looking at the charts on the daily is clearly a downtrend. I mean, look at this. So at most, we get a little pullback here like this. It might not even touch this line again, and then another nick downwards. So that's about it, guys. Prepare for massive shorts in the crypto market. So thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.